Hey everybody! Today I will be walking you through a tutorial for a spiked cocktail version of the Dalgona coffee. So Dalgona coffee has been trending for a while now. It's a super pretty whipped coffee that I'm sure you've been seeing all over social media. I decided to do my own version of that. I don't love the flavor of instant coffee, so I decided to add a little bit more flavor by doing a dirty chai rendition. So without further ado, I will take you through a dirty Dalgona.
Okay, step one, we are going to steep our tea while we are waiting. Like I said, I don't love the flavor of instant coffee, so I decided to brew a pretty strong chai tea. I did 2 cups of water per 2 bags, and then I brought the water to a boil, threw the bags in, let it steep for 10 minutes, took them out. Alrighty, y'all, while that tea's going, we are gonna whip up our coffee. I grabbed this brand, Instant Espresso. Be aware that this will be stronger than instant coffee, so if you're using this with instant coffee, look up a recipe for that. It's gonna be a little bit different since this one is a lot stronger. All right, so go ahead and add 1 tablespoon. This is the half tablespoon that I have here to your bowl. All right, now we're gonna add half a tablespoon of sugar. So other recipes are gonna call for a 1-to-1 ratio of coffee to sugar. It's really, really sweet, guys, and really, really strong. That's why I'm cutting back and doing a lower ratio than something that you might have already seen.
All right, guys, I highly recommend a mixer for this. It will take you forever if you try and do it by hand.
Okay guys, now for the fun part, we're going to build the drink. So first you're gonna get vodka. We're gonna do 2 ounces. Now, if you have our coffee liqueur at home, I want you to do 1 ounce of vodka and 1 ounce of the coffee liqueur, because that's just gonna make this drink so much more amazing. I don't really have that right now, so we're making do. Then you're gonna do 2.5 ounces of the chai tea that you made. Next, you're gonna do 2.5 ounces of whatever milk you choose. Alrighty, very nice. Okay, next you're going to do a 1/4 ounce of agave. Whenever I first did this, I lessened the sugar in this, but I found I needed just a little bit more sweetener. But I'd rather add it with the agave than more sugar to this mixture, just because it is so intense. Now we're going to shake it. Add the ice to your shaker. Pop that lid and alrighty, now that that is out, you're going to pour it in. Okay, now you're gonna add a little ice. You wanna make sure that you have just enough room up there at the top for your coffee. Alright, now get the whipped coffee. You're gonna pour it over like so, like that. For garnish, we're gonna add a little bit of cinnamon on top, and there you have it. Now, after you get your super cute Instagram picture, because you're gonna put it in a much nicer glass than this, you're gonna want to stir this baby up. This coffee on top is so concentrated, it does not taste that great all on its own. So you're just gonna stir, stir, stir. Guys, and there you have it. That is the Dirty Dalgona. Thanks for sticking around with me. Make sure to show us your recipe. Tell us if you change anything, add any creative twists. Remember, it is hashtag show us your block. And as always, thank you for your continued support, and cheers.